How to lock photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Scroll through your library and find the photo you wish to lock. Tap on the photo. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the icon with 3 dots. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on the Hide option. A pop-up will ask for confirmation. Tap Hide Photo to move it from your main library to the hidden album. The photo is now moved to the hidden album, which can be found in the Utilities section of the Albums tab and requires authentication to open. Following these steps, you can easily lock photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.